So we are going to continue with the SDLC model, which is the software development life cycle. So on that day, we have seen about waterfall model, and then we have seen about spiral model. So what is a software development life cycle is how a software is being developed, the process of how a software we get the requirements, and then after that it has been developed, tested, and finally it has been given for the customer to start using it. Okay, that is what the entire process is called a software development life cycle. Okay, so in that, the first model which came into the industry is the waterfall model. Then after that we got over there actually what next is spiral model, integration model, like the different models it came into the industry. So waterfall model is what actually it's a straight flow. Okay, so the advantage actually what waterfall model is what means actually what here the requirements are fixed over there. Because of that you will not get any problems during the development. But the problem is actually what requirements are fixed now. So suddenly if client is asking for any changes, it cannot be done over there in this model. That's a problem here. Okay, that's a main problem over there in the waterfall model. So once the requirement has been given, that is freezed, you cannot change the requirement at any point of time. That's a problem over here. But the final output will be always in a very good shape, because we don't actually what change the requirements. So always we will get a good shape on the requirements. One more thing here, actually what from our side, it takes actually what from our side actually what requirements we started, I told. Okay, so design, coding, testing, everything has happened. So in case from our side requirements which has been given, if it is something wrong or if there is any miscommunication, okay, if there is any communication gap, so what the client is saying, if it has been understood wrongly, okay, then if you have developed in a wrong manner, we can identify this problem only when we come to the final stage in the installation part only. Because that time only actually what client will know that actually what the given requirement and then the given product is wrong. So that will become a major problem over here. Okay, so those things are the very problematic informations over there in the waterfall model. So to overcome that model, they introduce actually what spiral model. So what is the spiral model here? It has been done. Okay. So in waterfall model, actually what entire product has been developed, then only testing phase starts. Okay. So there only we will identify the bugs over there. But in spiral model, actually what we will do means actually what if there are 100 requirements. Requirements means actually what each and every section. For example, inbox feature, send file feature, then drafts, compose, like those things are all called as small requirements over there. Changing the font size over there, okay, and then changing the styles of the font, okay, then after that giving colors for it, making it bolder, all those things are small requirements only. Okay, so here actually how things happens over there in the spiral model is first we get the requirements. Then after that, okay, out of 100 requirements, what they will do means actually what they develop only 5 requirements alone. So they take actually what, so 30 days of period. Okay, they take 5 to 10 requirements over there. They develop it. Okay, they design it. Then after that, actually what coding is being done. Then finally testing phase will be happened over there. Then that 5 to 10 requirements will be delivered to the client. Then again next 30 days they will take another 10 requirements, design, coding, testing, and then it delivers to the client over there. Like that, each and every phase level actually what we take separate requirements, and then after that we deliver to the client over here. That's what will happen in the spiral model. So advantage over here is what means, so from our side each and every time actually what we get the requirements, and then after that we test it. So any point of time you can change the requirements. Okay, any point of time we can change the requirements over here. That's the advantage of that. Okay, so also we can add new requirements. So from our side, any point of time, we can change the requirements or we can also add new requirements over there. So that is possible over there in the spiral model. We will also call it as a incremental development. Okay. It's also called as a incremental model or iterative model, because every time we go with an iteration. So iteration is actually what? The 30 periods of time. So within that period of time, what are the things we are developing over there? That is called, okay. So it's called as iterative model or incremental model or spiral model. Anything we will be calling it. So now today we are going to go with the V model, verification and validation model. So I'll go and open the doc.
Hello, Morali.
Hey Sadi. Yes, Sadi.
Please, can you send me these notes apart from the YouTube so that I can read?
Yeah, I already sent to you. You can ask Robin. I have already sent to Robin.
No, these notes or just the YouTube link?
Yeah, I sent to you. Just again. This is what you're asking me, na?
Yes.
Yeah, I sent to Robin. Can you just confirm with Robin once?
No, I mean, this is a link, right, to YouTube. I'm talking about notes that I can read instead of listening to it.
This notes you're saying?
Yes.
This also. Both I have sent to him.
Okay, I will check it. He sent to me too, but I'll check it. Okay.
Yeah. This one actually, he just forwards the same mail over there. You will be getting that information.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Yes, guys.
You there? Hello?
It's only just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Hey, Savi. So this is a V model over here. This is a V model over here. So it's called as a verification and validation model over here. So it's called as a verification and validation. So here, things actually what in the waterfall model and then spiral model, it went in a flow actually what from the requirements collections, requirements design coding, and then after that testing it went over there. The same thing here also goes in the same phase, but here documentation is more. The documentation is more over here in this. So what does that means actually? It's CRS. Okay. So just a second, my kid is crying over there. Just give me 2 minutes. Don't mistake me. Just 2 minutes. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, event. So it's actually we have CRS. So what is CRS means? It's called as a customer requirement specification. Okay, it's called as a customer requirement specification. So what here actually will be done means actually it will be the client or the customer. Okay, we'll be calling them as client or customer. So what they will do means they will be giving us information over there. So it's a business level document. So their business, how it has been happened, what are the things they will be doing it over there. So all the business level informations will be given over there in the CRS. Okay, so that is what happened over here. So business level informations will be given, that will be documented. It will be done by the product owners, otherwise the business analyst or the product analyst. They are the one who is going to do that one. So CRS is a customer requirement specification. Okay, so then we have SRS. It's a software requirement specification. How the business requirements can be transferred into an application level. And that's what software requirement specification over there. How the business requirement specifications have been converted into software requirement specification. For example, if you take Gmail, from my side actually what we need to do, I'll be my requirement is actually what I want to send an information to one person. Otherwise, I'll be sending information to multiple persons over there. That time I'll be sending a document over there, or I'll be sending sorry or I'll be sending a video link, or I'll be sending an attachment like that. So this is what I need to do. So that time actually that person should know that actually what I am the person who has sent. This is what actually business information. Same thing how it can be converted to a software thing is. So I can have a compose button. So if I click on that compose button, a mail box should open. That should have an information from to which person we need to send. Okay, to which person we need to send, that information should be there. Okay, so based on that one actually what the mail will be sent to that person information. Then we are going to send a mail. So it's like actually what we can have a subject, because always when we write a letter we will be having a subject over there, no? So like that we can have a subject over here. Then after that we'll have a body. So there the body will consist of the entire information. So if they want to add actually what a document or something, we'll have an option called attachment. When they click on the link or some information over there in the mailbox, that should open a window over there to attach my file. So that what should happen over there. So a mailbox should open, a window box will open. There I need to select which is my document that I need to select for it. So that one we will be doing it. Then after that, I want to send what means. So for that, I'll have a button there called send. So if we click on send over there, that mail should go to the person whom I have sent. So we have sent the information, but the next person who is going to receive it, so for him it should be going and saving in another location over there. So we will have an information directly what all the mails that have been received will store it under one location. All the mails that we have sent, that will be stored under one location. So like that we can separate it. Then after that here what in the inbox, it should show me that actually what I got one mail, then from which person has been came. So that information I need to show. That is also is needed. So I'm going to show that one also. Okay, that's the thing. So we are going to show that one. So then this is how the CRS will be converted into SRS. So business level, how they are thinking it, the same thing, how we can transfer into a software level. That is called a software requirement specification. So this document will be prepared. So this document will be prepared by whom means actually what? This will be prepared by the project managers or the senior developers or the project managers. Okay. So they only will be developing it. Okay. So or the dev lead or someone. Okay. They are the persons who will be responsible for to create the SRS because they know about the software level. Okay, so it's also prepared by the BA also. Mostly BA also will be involved. But if the BA has any doubts or something like that, then actually what they will be getting informations from the dev lead or the project managers or the senior level devs. So once actually what they get the information from everyone, then after that this document is prepared. Then after that we have the HLD. It's a high level design. So the architecture, how it can be prepared. So that information, so which database to be taken. So what are the informations that that is needed for our coding informations. Okay, the software level. All those things, high level design will be done over here. Then the low level design. So high level design means actually what? So it's like actually from our say technology level, what are things? Low level design is actually what? Each and every feature level or the component level. So how can be? For example, the compose button should be in red color and then of this much size. So it should be like a link level or something. So if you click on that compose button, that should open me one link over, one box over there, the window, like a window pop-up. There only we should write a mail. So like that component level actually about giving the main informations of that. That is called as low level design. Then after that we have coding. So coding here, what will happen from our side? So coding actually what here only actually what they start to write the code informations over there. Okay. So till now actually what the document is prepared. Then after that the high level design and the low level design has been done. Then now only coding has been started. So this is what will be done by the development team. So this side is called as a verification over here. So parallelly when the developers are working, that time testing team also will be doing work over here. So the waterfall model, the spiral model, if you see, so testing team will be coming after some point of time only. They are not involved in the early stages itself. But actually in the verification V model, the testing team has been developed at the initial stage itself. Okay. So acceptance criteria. Okay, so now what are the things actually what we have different types of informations over there. So testing level, acceptance criteria testing, all those things we have over there. So what is that here means? Okay, so when the CRS has been actually what written, that time that CRS will be given to the testing team. Then the testing team will be reviewing the CRS whether the business requirements are being properly captured in the document. Okay, all the business items are properly captured in the document. Okay, that's what they will be doing, reviewing the CRS. Okay, then after that, based on reviewing the CRS over there, they prepare the acceptance test plan. So acceptance test plan is actually what? So based on the business level, this is how the business is working. So whether all those things will be actually what working in our software level also. Okay, so that is what they'll be testing. So from a high level like acceptance criteria, for example, if I send a mail, the next person should receive the mail. If I'm going to attach a document over there, that document information should come over there to me. Okay, then there should be some specific information that should be given to me that this document contains document, like that should be there. So the person who receives the information, he should get an information actually what from whom he has got the mail. To whom we are sending over there, we should have an options over there to write the information actually what to whom we need to send. Like those basic features over there, we will be checking it over there in the acceptance criteria level. Okay, those test plan and then test cases will be written over here. Then after that, system testing. So when the SRS has been ready, Then after that, they will write system level test cases. So there are three different types of testing over there. The main three types of testing are what means it is functional testing, then integration testing, then system testing. Component level testing, a single component is called as functional level testing. Okay, testing the integration or the data flow between one module to another module or one feature to another feature is called as the integration testing. Okay, then after the testing in end-to-end flow is called as a integration testing. Sorry, system testing over there. Okay, we'll be learning more about this types of testing over there very soon. So right now, functional means component level, integration means data flow between one module to another module. Then after that, we have the system testing also. That is the complete end-to-end feature level testing. So this is what about this one. So when the SRS is ready, system level testing, end-to-end testing level informations will be writing it. When the HLT is ready, high level design is ready, that time integration level test cases. So that means data flow between one module to another module. That information will be done. Okay, so that is what will be done over there. When the LLD is ready, component level testing will be done. So when CRS is ready, system level testing. When the SRS is ready, integration level testing. When the LLD is ready, functional level testing, component level testing will be done. So whether each and every component level actually what testing has been done. Okay, then after the coding is ready, that time actually what white box testing. So that is called as the white box testing. So that is actually what from our side is also called as actually what unit testing. Okay, so white box testing information. Here we test the code of the application, whether the coding level we have written properly. That is what white box testing over there. It's also called as the glass box testing also. So next, from our side, white box testing has been done. Then after that, we start with the functional level testing, then integration level testing, then after that, the acceptance criteria level test cases. So CRS is ready, acceptance criteria test cases are ready. When SRS is ready, system level testings are ready. When HLD is ready, integration level testing will be done. When LLD is ready, functional level testing will be done over there. Then after that, when the coding is ready over there. So from our side, it goes in a flow level. So from our side, when the testing is been done, we will be executing the functional level test cases, then integration level test cases, then system level test cases. Then from our side, we go with the acceptance criteria level test cases also. So all these test cases will be verified over there, and then we'll be comparing it over there. That's what will be happened over there under the V model. Okay. So nodes level, if you see, in order to achieve the what are the problems we faced in the waterfall model, we are coming to the domestic model. Okay, so V and V model over there. Okay, what are things we had a problem out in the waterfall model, everything we are going to have it over here. So here every phase over there, okay, it's been done, and then it has been written test cases, all those things, and then review, everything will be done. So here point of contact. So here actually what requirements collection, design, coding, all those things actually what is being done, and then it's been tested at the same point of time. Okay, entry model will be divided, can be divided into two parts over there. Okay, so here actually what one is verification, another one is validation. Verification is taken care by the development team. Okay, So then after that, the validation has been done by the QA team. Verification is done by the different team. Validation is done by this team. So next. So here, reviewing the CRS, what will happen from our side, we'll check the CRS over there, and then we'll be checking it over there whether according to the business level, actually what the requirements are being properly loaded in it or not. We'll be checking that one. So if there is anything requirements actually it's been missed out or it has been miscommunicating, okay, those informations will be checking it over there. Okay, testing team will send the reviewed document over there to the development team. Okay, so those things will be given and then will be added over there. That's what will be done. So CRS will be tested, that is, it will be reviewed. Then after that, from our side, actually, what will be adding those informations which are the things are not been added. Okay, so we will be sending the reviews to the development team that these things are being newly need to be added or some things need to be changed over there. Okay, like all those discussion will be happened over there. Okay, so that's so good. So coding level actually what will happen, so we code it over there. Okay, the developers actually what, by seeing the requirement document over there, they used to code it over there. That's what will happen over there in the coding level. So here actually advantages are what means, okay, so testing will be started at the same point of time when the development is been started. Bugs are being found at the early stages because we are testing from the document to everything. So here all the stages are being tested from our side. That is very important over there. Okay, all the stages are tested and then deliverables are also parallel also. Okay, anything whatever you want over there, we can we can run it over there in the parallel level also. Total investment is less over there. Okay, total time for completion is less due to the parallel deliverables. So disadvantages over there means actually what, initial investment will be high over there because QA team will be involved at the beginning stage itself. So here managing the iteration between the development team and testing team is complex over there. Communication gap will come because so the communication should happen from the BA, so the client to the BA, then BA to the development team, then the development team to the testing team over there. So a lot of things should happen over here. So that's the problem with this spiral model. Okay, so initial investment is high, but actually what, final cost will be reduced over there because we will not be getting much bugs over there because everything has been perfectly documented for us. Okay, huge documentation also is needed for us here. Okay, because actually what, documentation is actually what is mandatory over here. So a lot of documentation will be present over there in the VNV model. Okay, when can we go for this model means actually whenever our side application is complex and then for the long-term projects over there. Okay, so those time we can go for this one. Okay, so when the customers also want high quality product over there in a short span of time, we can go with this BNB model. Okay, so this is about V model. Okay, any doubts on this, Sade? Any doubts for this one? V model, verification, validation.
Yes, for the V model,
Yeah.
you come again? I don't really get that.
Sure. So you have any doubts on this V model, what I have explained right now?
Yes.
You're clear about it?
V model. Which one is V model? Investment?
It's verification and validation model.
Yes. I don't really understand that.
Okay, simple. What is this V model over there means? It's called as verification and validation model. So verification part will be done by the development team. Validation part will be done by the testing team. Okay. So in verification, what we will be doing is actually from our side. Okay. So first, actually, what the document will be prepared. Okay. All the business level requirements are being loaded into one document that is called a CRS, Customer Requirement Specification. Then after that, actually, what will happen during that time when the CRS is ready, that information will be given to the testing team. So testing team now what happened? They will be writing test cases for acceptance level criteria. Then after, yeah, testing team will be written acceptance level criteria test cases. Then we have SRS. Okay, so SRS what will happen actually? What is software requirement specification? So that will be created by whom? From our side actually what? From the BA team or the dev team or the senior dev team. Okay. Then after that, that time actually what? Testing team will be writing the system level test case, that is end-to-end level test cases. Then HLD, high level design, architecture or the project managers or someone, they can utilize it. So that time actually what? Integration level test cases will be ready. Then after that we have the LLD, so low level design, component level actually what? Each and every test case also will be taken. Then finally only, so that time actually what? Function level test cases will be written by the testing team. So now actually what? Coding everything is been written and finally we get to the information. Okay, now all the test case has been written. Now product is ready. Now we'll be checking it over there. Step by step we'll be testing it over there. Okay, Sadi?
Okay.
Okay. So this is about V model. So next is about the prototype model. We'll have a break for 5 minutes. Then after that we'll confirm. We'll come with the prototype model over here.
Okay.
Okay. We'll have a 5 minutes break over there. So 10:45 we'll again meet.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello? Validation.
Hey Sadi, are you there?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
That's about.
Yeah.
How many minutes do you have more? You did. I think it took 15 minutes or so.
Yeah, actually, my son is there. Actually, just he's not slept over there, so that's why it's a little bit took time.
Okay.
So now we'll go for the prototype model.
Okay.
So what is this prototype model is going to be there? Okay. So still now, actually, in the model, what we have done means we get the requirements. Based on the requirements, actually, what the design is being done, then the coding is being done. After that, actually, for us, actually, what it will be delivered to the client. So here, actually, the problem in the other models is actually what we get the requirements. Then after coding only in all the requirements, actually, what testing is being done. The only thing is actually what test cases are being written over there in the V model. But from our side, actually, what testing thing, if you see everything, actually, what is being done only after the when the coding part has been done. That's what will happen over there in the other model. So here, if any problem comes over there, it has been tough for us actually what the written code again actually what they have to change it over there and then they have to organize and then give it over there separately for us. Okay, that's the thing. So here actually what any problem comes over there again it has to be changed. So in order to avoid that one, they come up with a prototype model. What is this prototype model means actually from here? So here the design and development, okay, after the requirements and corrections has been done, so they will be creating a document. Okay, that is actually what the prototype with snapshots. They will be creating actually what the user interface, how the end application should look like. Okay, so the design and development of the prototype is done over here. Then after that, the prototype will be tested by the testing team. Okay. So then after that, if they have any doubts or something, okay, so BA, they will be involved over there and then they will be helping it out to clear out the requirements. Okay. Then after that, if anything is wrong over there, as whatever expected over there in the requirements is not been given properly over here, it will be again sent to the design and development. Then the prototype will be changed and then after that will be sent for prototype testing. Then everything is fine, then only it will be going for the customer review. Now the client will be checking it over there. So as whatever he expected in the business requirements has been transferred to the prototype level, software level, actually what will be the output will be receiving, that information will be seeing it over there in the customer review. Okay, so then after that it will be sent for the design. So now what will happen after the customer review, design will be done over there. So here actually what the high level and then the low level design over there, how the structure, okay, so how the technologies should be used over there and then each and every component level, actually how the UI should be present, then how it should be delivered to them. So those things will be done over here in the design. Then after that coding will be done. Then after that we'll be doing the testing. Then finally the implementation and maintenance. All those things will be going as for it. The only thing is actually what will happen over here. So prototype testing level, actually what testers will be testing. If anything is wrong, they will again resend to the development by making that actually what these are the things that need to be changed. After that only it will be sent for the customer review. Then again customer will be checking it. So he will be checking over there if anything is wrong. So according to actually what business requirement, everything has been transferred into the application level. He'll be checking. So if everything is perfect, then after that actually what will happen from yours, from the side actually what it will be going to the design and coding. Okay, it will be going for the design and coding over there, and finally testing. Things will go like step by step over there. Okay, so this is what prototype testing. Prototype testing can be involved in anything. It's not only in actually in the waterfall model level, even over there it can be involved over there in the spiral model or verification model or anything, we can be involved over there. Okay, so the only thing is before actually what coding the prototype will be developed and then will be given to them. Then only testing will be started for them. That's the thing. Okay, guys. So we'll be calling it's a toy implementation. Okay, it's actually what it's also called as actually what rapid application development. It will be called as what toy implementation of the system. That is actually the prototype actually which we are creating over there. I will be calling it as a toy implementation. Okay, that's what prototype has been developed by the BA, and then after that actually what otherwise it will be developed by the senior developers, otherwise the web designers, otherwise the content developers. So we know who is BA, who is senior developers, and then also we know that is actually what junior developers and all those things. What is this web designers means? Okay, web designers means actually what their side they will be checking out only the UI level changes alone. They will be doing it. They'll write the code to work on with the UI level things alone. That's what these guys will do. Okay, so advantages beginning only customer gets the right picture. Okay, so at the beginning stage as well the customer will be getting as what is his final output will be. So based on the CRS we are going to develop this one, so the customers will know at the beginning stage as well as what will be the output. Then customers gets an opportunity to change the requirement at any point of at the beginning stage itself. Okay, so you can change the requirement by seeing that UI itself. Okay, the prototype itself will come to know that this is the changes actually what he needs over there. So this is actually what done in a wrong way. Okay, so this has been done in wrong way, so it has to be changed. So like that all those things will be done at the beginning stage itself. So better communication will happen over there to the customer and then the software team or the development team. So the developers will be changing it according to that way. What are the changes that has been given over there in the prototype by the client or the testing team? Advantages, okay, the customer will get to know about the right picture of the product, that what he's going to get over there. Okay, he gets an opportunity to change the requirement at the beginning stage itself over there, and good communication over there. Disadvantages means initial investment will be high because testing team and then web designing team all will be involved at the beginning stage. And also there will be a delay in the application development of the application. Why? Because if the prototype which we have sent, if there is actually what any problem on that, again a new prototype will be created and then will be sent to them. Okay, that's a problem with that. Okay, so that's a problem with the actually what this prototype model. When can we go for it means when the customer is new to the software application. So this is the first time is going to come for the software level. So still now he has seen a book, he was working with this business requirements over there. This is the first time he's going to come with the software level means that time it is needed. Then developer when he is going to new to the domain. So it's safer for them to create the prototype and then give it to the client and finally developing the product. That is also best. So customer when he is not clear about his own requirement, that time also we used to go with this one. Okay, and also to set the customer expectation, that time also we used to go for it. Okay, at the beginning stage if we want to get the set the expectation of the customer level, we have to go for it. Customers will have an opportunity to change the requirements at the beginning stage itself. Okay, so if there is any changes they can be done at the beginning stage itself. So all those things can be done over there in the prototype model over there. Okay, so this is about prototype model. Okay, so the thing is prototype is actually what the UI level actually what the development will be done, and finally only the original development of the coding will be done. So here the testing team will be testing the prototype, also they will be testing the application. Both the things actually what they will be testing it over here. That's what will be happened over here. Okay, the next is derived model or the customized model. So what is the derived model or the customized model? So if there is a combination of one or two models over there, that is called as a derived or customized model. So from our side, actually, if you see the combination of actually what the waterfall model, spiral model, V&V model, prototype model, like that, the combination of all those things will be taken and then it will be done. So what is the thing means actually what? In each and every model level, what are the advantage features we have? So take those things over there and then customize the frame development according to that your need. Okay, that is what we call as customized model. So nowadays, actually, what everyone goes with the customized model only. No one goes with the specific perfect level of the same model. Everyone goes with the customized model only. Okay, so if we adopt any changes in actual model to develop the software, is called as derived model. So derived model is also called as a hybrid model because a combination of one or two models is always called as a hybrid model. Today, no one uses the basic model because they want the advantage features of each and every model level. So in order to make it actually what? To do the software development in a faster phase and then to deliver it in a smarter phase over there. So that time they want it. So that's why we go for this types of models over there. Okay, so best example for this model actually what is the W model is the best example for it. Okay, it's derived from the waterfall model and the V model. The combination of the waterfall model and V model is the W model. Okay, so then so spiral and then prototype model if you see. So first actually from our side we get the requirements. So requirements will be taken. Then after that we do the design and development of the prototype based on that one. Then prototype testing will be done. Then customer will be reviewing it, and finally after that it will be going for the approval. Okay. Once it has been approved, then only design and coding will be done, and finally testing will be done here. Same thing if you go to the V model level, CRSs will be ready. Once the CRS is ready, software requirement specification. Here only the prototype will be done. So when the prototype is ready, actually what will happen? So that time before that itself, acceptance testing will be, test cases will be ready, system level test cases will be ready, and then prototype also will be tested by the testing team. Then they will update the changes. This is what actually needed for them. So like that the changes will be done and then will be sent to the development team. Then after the development team will be doing the changes and then again will be sending it. So if everything is fine, then finally send to the customer, and customer will finally will approve the prototype. So it's good over there. We can proceed with the development. Then only actually what will happen, high level design will be done. Then after that low level design coding, other things will be going as like the V model over here. That's the thing. Okay, this is how prototype will be done here. Okay, so any doubts on this one, Sadhi? For today's session, you have any doubts?
No.
Okay, so I forwarded this document. So today, once again, I'll be forwarding this document to you. So you can just confirm with Robin over there about the document, and then after that, your what is it? The from your side actually, what the document and also the URL will be sending to you every day. Na? You can just confirm within about that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Sadhi. So so I'll just confirm with the I'll be sending all these things over there. So actually what if you have any doubts you can let me know over there.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, thanks Ade. We'll meet by tomorrow. Thank
Okay,
you.
so what are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow we'll be taking the agile model.
Okay.
Then after that we'll be jumping on to the software testing. So what are the different types of software testing methodologies we have? All those things we'll be seeing tomorrow. Software testing actually, what is functional testing, what is system testing, integration, like those types of testing informations we'll be seeing tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Thanks Ade. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah,
Thank you. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.